everyone. Well, today I've decided now that my foams and seat diaphragms have come from England, I would rebuild those Recaros that are in the Milano. So this is the passenger side seat. As you can see, I pulled the diaphragm off, pulled the rear cushion off the main or the bottom bracket, pulled the seat back off. It's all pretty straightforward, easy stuff to do. Here's all the hardware that's associated with all that. Seat rails. So anyway, this is the old foam. It actually didn't look too bad from the outside, but when you pull the fabric off, you really realize how bad it actually is. It's so shot. It's so absolutely shot, especially when you compare it to the new piece. So you can really see the difference there in shape and everything. So pretty straightforward thing. You just slap that back on there, wrap the fabric back on there. It just attaches to, you know, little hooks, and you're ready to go. I'm gonna vacuum it, I'll clean it, and be like brand new. So yeah, do the passenger side first, and then tackle the driver's side, which is likely gonna be worse.